How to post anonymously on a Facebook group as a member. This tutorial shows you how to share a post in a group without revealing your identity on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Groups to open your group section. At this point, scroll through your groups and tap on the group you want to post in anonymously. In the next step, once you're inside the group, look at the top of the feed where you'll see the option to create a post. Following this, you'll notice an anonymous post option at the top. Tap on it to switch to anonymous posting mode. Once done, type out whatever you want to share in the text field. From here, add any photos, videos, or other attachments to your post if needed. At this stage, once you're happy with your post, tap Post to publish it to the group. Finally, your post will go live in the group with your identity hidden from all general members and fellow members of the group. Keep in mind that while your identity is hidden from regular members, group moderators and admins can still see your name behind the anonymous post. And that's it. If this Facebook guide helped you post anonymously in a group, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.